Uber X and Bolt 8K monthly challenge. Assalamu alaikum, marhaba, welcome, salute, khush amdeed, pakhairale, balaso, bonjo, hola. Greeting for all of you. Today is day 3 of my challenge. The expenses for day 3 is £15 petrol. It was the quietest day of the year. £15 petrol, £5 food, £10 insurance, £5 car value depreciation, £3 phone bill. Total expense for day 3, £38. Now the earning for day 3 is £155. Uber, £25 Bolt, total £180. So guys, January is always quiet, but this year I don't know what to say, but it's the quietest January I have ever seen. What do you think, guys? Is it the same for you, Uber executive or Lux drivers? How is your work in January? So guys, after the expense and before tax, the net is £142 in 9 hours of work. So let me know in the comment box, is this earning is good in 9 hours, £142? Let me know in the comment box. I will appreciate it. Guys, subscribe my channel, like my videos and comment on it. So support me, and I will be giving away an incredible 5 days holidays to Morocco or Dubai, all inclusive flight, accommodation, transportation, breakfast, dinner. You are eligible for the giveaway from anywhere in the world, doesn't matter which country. When I reach 50k subscriber on my YouTube channel, I will be giving away this incredible holiday to one of my top supporter and subscriber. So when you supporting me, I want to give back something. So you can choose your favorite destination, Dubai or Morocco. So why are you waiting? You have a chance. Subscribe my YouTube channel, like my videos, comment on it, and you will be the luckiest person to win the incredible holidays to one of your favorite destinations. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. I will see you in the next video. Bye now.